What's going on, everybody? It's ronz. In today's video, we're unboxing my brand new work laptop. And listen, bro, it's a $5,000 laptop that I just got for work. Well, it was sent to me for work. But yeah, we're about to unbox it. And by the way, different setup. Got a whole new desk. I'm gonna show you how we gotta get this going. All right, so like big glass desk, everything we got going. I got the iPad, I got my MacBook, everything like that. But yeah, got a brand new laptop. This is gonna be our workstation, work from home type thing. So let's get it, let's go. All right, guys, so here it is right here, right? So this is a pretty big laptop. This is the Dell 18-inch Pro Max Plus, okay? It's a $5,000 laptop. Let me go ahead and open this up right here. You can see we got the Dell. Then we got, of course, our charging brick and our cable. And let's go ahead and take this out. This is a very heavy laptop, by the way. Let me go ahead and put this to the side. As you can see, we have the Dell Pro Max 18 Plus. Like I said, a $5,000 spec laptop. It's insane. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take out everything. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this desk might be really good for unboxing too. So let's go ahead and move this stuff out the way. That's pretty much it for the box. Pretty basic box, All right, now just look at the pure side. Like, you see how thick this laptop, this is huge. And this is really heavy to hold with one hand. Like, I'm kind of struggling, not gonna lie. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side. This thing is literally huge. I don't want to mess with anything because, like I said, this is a $5,000 computer. And if we open it up, you can see how large this screen size is. Like I said, 18 inches right here, okay? Compared to my 11-inch iPad Pro right here. And now, of course, I have my 14-inch MacBook, which I'll grab that in a second. But let's see, you got some important documents before you turn on the computer. Okay, that's some stuff for me. And yeah, let's go ahead and try to turn it on right quick. All right, y'all, here we go. Get the first power on of our brand new Dell, like I said, 18-inch, 18 plus, okay? And well, I'm gonna put the specs on the side of the screen so you guys can see. But I'm just gonna read some stuff off real quick, hold on. All right, so this is my reading come with the stuff right here. It said this is Dell's highest performance laptop. And I mean, with it being costing this much, like you see, $5,000 PC, you can figure up a whole bunch. Anyway, so this one right here, right? I think this is the $4,000 variant. Yeah, this is the $4,000 variant. As you can see, Intel Core Ultra 7. 20 cores. As you see, 20 cores. Running Windows 11. RTX Pro 1000 Blackwell Generation 8 GB. Oh my gosh, 32 gigabytes of memory. Of course, it also has a nice SSD in it. It's not touchscreen, but that's so fine. Go a little bit tech. You know we're tech guys, right? Yeah, so it has an SD card slot on the side. It has 3 like Thunderbolt 5 spots on it. I can see right here. I said the processor, the Ultra 7, that's insane. Just that alone. As you can see, look, y'all, the weight, I was not lying. 7 pounds. Like, this is a heavy laptop. Like, this is crazy. It's a very heavy laptop. Yeah, based off the camera, we don't really care about that. The speakers, that's pretty cool and everything like that. But y'all, all right, so here we go. Audio jack, 1 Thunderbolt 4. Okay, it has a 1 Thunderbolt 4. It says Thunderbolt 5 on the other side. It might be one of those. It's up 2 Thunderbolt 5s, HDMI port. Y'all, this is crazy. And hold on, I'm gonna flip the screen so you can see how crazy this looks. All right, boom, right? So now I got set up the computer and everything, but if I wanted to game with this, it would probably run everything so smooth, not gonna lie. But since I'm just doing work off of this, it's not gonna be like that. But the work that I'm doing, I mean, yeah, but it's awesome, by the way. All right, y'all, that's pretty much all I got, man. So, like, look, unboxing my brand new computer. We're going to see how this job goes. But, whoa, bro, this is huge. Anyways, man, thank y'all for staying tuned. If you want to see me do anything with this computer while we have it, I can't probably do too much because they're probably watching me. But if you want to see, maybe some benchmarks or something like that, you probably do that. Let me know, okay? But anyways, y'all, I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. You're going to see another video coming out, too, because, well, if the other video wasn't posted before this one, you'll see this one. But if it hasn't been posted before this one, or it's not going to be posted after when you see that one. Anyways, besides the point, thank you guys for tuning in. ronz is out. Yo, I just got sent a $5,000 PC for free. I guess I got to work for them, but for free. Anyways, stay tuned. New videos coming soon.